Hey guys, if you also wanted to do crochet, तो सोच क्या रही हो यार? Just grab a yarn and crochet hook and let's start. For crocheting, you have to learn three basic चीज़ें. अगर आप ये तीन basic चीज़ें समझ जाओगे, then you can start your crochet because this is not that hard and not even that easy. क्योंकि आपको सिर्फ practice की ज़रूरत है. Over the time आप practice करोगे, then you will learn how to do crochet और आपका जो works है वो day by day improve होते जाएगा. So three basics of crochet are chain, stitches, and magic ring. So सबसे पहले एक चेन बनाने के लिए यू हैव टू होल्ड द यार्न आपके थंब से एंड उसके बाद उसको रैप अराउंड करना है आपके टू फिंगर्स पे एंड मेक श्योर कि बीच में क्रॉस बने और आपके पिंकी फिंगर से उसको होल्ड कर लो एंड देन जो क्रॉस बना है you have to insert your hook into the first yarn and pull the other yarn through the first yarn and hook को rotate कर दो. Now you have to remove your finger from the middle. So अब जो लॉन्ग वाला यार्न है उसको पुल कर लो एंड जब पुल करोगे तो आपको सबसे पहला स्लिप नॉट बनेगा. सो नाउ चेन बनाने के लिए आपको जो होक है उसका आपको रैप अराउंड करना है यार्न से एंड यू हैव टू पुल थ्रू द स्लिप नॉट. Done. This is the first chain. Let me show you again. Wrap around, pull through the space. Done. Okay, now I'll teach you how to make it then. So सबसे पहले मिडिल में जो आपको वी दिख रहा है उसी में आपका सारा वर्क होने वाला है. So first you have to insert your hook into the middle of the V and wrap around the yarn and pull through it. Now you will get two space. If आप पहला space को दूसरा space के through insert करोगे and then you'll get your first slip stitch. Let me show you again. Insert in the space, pull the yarn through and first space को दूसरे space में insert कर दोगे. Now it's your slip stitch. Okay, now for making single crochet, you have to pull through the space, wrap the yarn and pull through the space. Now you again get the two, but this time you have to wrap the yarn again and pull through both. Done. This is your first single stitch. Now I'll teach you to make double stitch. So you have to wrap around the yarn first and then pull through the space and then pull the yarn through the space and now you'll get three spaces. So first you have to pull the yarn through the two spaces सबसे पहले. Okay. After pulling through the first two spaces, then again wrap around and pull to next two spaces. Done. This is your double stitch done. So now it's for magic ring. So magic ring के लिए मैंने आपको सिखाया था how to hold it. So you have to same way, but this time you don't have to like stretch. Okay. ऐसा you'll get this space. Okay. So wrap around the yarn and हल्का सा pull करो ज़्यादा नहीं because we need this. And this space is called magic ring. First पहले we'll make a chain one to hold on the ring. Okay. So this is your magic ring and now we'll make stitches around this. Basically you need 5 to 6 stitches under this to make project, but it depends upon आपके project बना रहे हो. So for that आपका जो ये hook है they'll go around inside this magic ring and pull through this. You get two space. Okay, this two and now pull through. Done. So this is your first stitch. Again let's do it. Okay, this is your second stitch. Now again we do it. This is 4. Now done. See, so this is the stitches you can see and I told you कि we have whenever we have to make इसके आगे का circle then we have to work on this V's. Okay, जो आपको V दिख रहा है. And now we'll if you want to close this chain, if you want to close this ring, just pull this small string and then get close. To close this ring, you have to slip stitch. Okay, the first one I hope you can see. This is the first. So you have to insert. Okay, insert and when you insert, तो ये दो जो V का stitches होते हैं दोनों you have to go underneath. Okay, उसके नीचे से and then pull, then you get two. You have to do slip stitch. Okay, slip stitch. उसके लिए ये वाला जो यान है will go through it. Done. So this is your round one. Okay, this is the magic ring. Finish. For a crochet, a lot of beginners make a mistakes. जो आपका mind में याद होना चाहिए कि आपको कोई mistakes नहीं करना है. First is whenever you are doing your crochet as a beginner, तो आप choose करो कोई lighter color so that you can see the stitches very easily. बहुत आराम से आपको दिख जाए. And secondly, you have to use stitch markers because they are really important. क्योंकि बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है कि as a beginner you can't figure it out कि आपने कहाँ से आपका stitch start किया था. So use of stitch markers will make it more easy and more comfortable for you. And third, if you feel like तुम्हारा जो fingers है or your wrist area is paining a lot, then that's mean you're giving a lot of tension to the yarn. So try करो to be relaxed and do the crochet क्योंकि at the beginning is sometimes pain क्योंकि we don't know कि कितना pressure और कितना precisely we have to equally divide the pressure when we make our crochet pieces. Even the time जैसे time pass होता जाएगा you will learn and आप practice हो जाएगा कि yes I have to do this pressure तब जाके crochet piece अच्छा से आए. So all you have to do is just stay focused, add a lot of time, a lot of patience and daily practice. And if you like this video then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and please share this videos to your friends, your family who also wanted to do crochet, start their crochet journey so that I can help from my way उन्हें crochet करने में थोड़ा easy हो जाए. Bye bye, love you all.